Running retrospectives every 2 weeks, truly continuous improvement. Some would argue that it's not. 3 weeks ago, I was working with a team here in Boston, and the team lead was saying, well, last week we ran into some issues and we need to tweak the process. But if you think about that, a week has already passed and we're not hitting the iron while it's hot. We miss a lot of context. So continuous improvement is really about responding when something happens, not waiting until the retrospective. Yes, we could refer back to it at the retrospective, but truly continuous improvement is about looking at something when it's happening, putting a metric out there, running an experiment to see how we can improve on that. That's very similar to lean manufacturing and the Andon cord that people would pull to stop the manufacturing line and responding while things are happening. So if you want to learn more, there are links down below. In the meantime, have a great new year, and I'll see you in a couple of days.